In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and also install Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. So now let's open our search button here and now let's enter Google Chrome download Windows 11 and now let's search that. Good. And now we hop on the first website, which is, look at the URL. Google, don't hop on any third-party websites. On here, I don't encourage you people to download stuff from these type of sites. Come here and tap on this here to www.google.com. Good. And now on this page, we tap on this here to download Chrome. I already don't have Chrome on this PC, so yeah. I'm going to walk you guys through everything. And this is the setup here. You tap on save to save it. And it's already done. And now we double tap to open it. And we proceed with the downloading. Yeah. It should appear here. Good. And now we tap on yes. And initializing. Yeah. Connecting to the internet and downloading. It's going to take some time. Okay, so our download is done here. So we are waiting to install. Good. And Google Chrome appears on here. Simple. Now we can double tap to launch it. And you can make it a default browser on your PC if you want that, but then I don't want it as a default browser. So you just try to sign in or you don't sign in and you hop. I wouldn't make it as a default browser. I use Opera Mini. That's what I like. Got it, and that's it on how you download Google Chrome on Windows 11. If you are new here, give me a like and you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to add Google Chrome to your desktop too as well. If you finish this and it doesn't appear on your desktop, that will be in the next video, and I'll add that to this video description. So that's it once again. Peace.